This is Impact Shot of Gems for August issue 2014. The title is Obesity and FAT-PVS. It provides a hope with new lipolysis pathway for obesity control. Adipose tissue and the Primo vascular system. Adipose tissue has been a subject of wide interest in connection with obesity, which became a global epidemic. It is not a mere mass of adipocytes, but a complex structure, in particular, filled with networks of circulatory systems like blood vessels, lymph vessels, and primo vessels. The PVS offers a hope for the obesity control by completely new approaches beyond dietary methods. What is Primo vascular system? It is a new circulatory system. Its main function is regeneration. It contains embryonic-like stem cells. Acupuncture meridian is a subsystem of the PVS in the skin. The fluid in PVS contains adrenaline and noradrenalin, which break down lipids. It was first discovered by Bong-An Kim in the early 1960s, but had been ignored until 2002 when it was re-investigated by the Biomedical Physics Laboratory at Seoul National University. Obesity and the Primo vascular system. This figure shows a fat tissue in which the Primo vascular system is stained blue. Without special staining, the PVS is not noticeable. A primo node and two primo vessels are shown inside an adipose tissue around the small intestine of a rat. ASEAN Blue revealed the PVS connected to fat tissues. Left figure explains that ASEAN Blue was intravenously injected into the right femoral vein of a rat. It somehow got into the PVS in the blood vessel and flowed in the PVS. In the middle figure, you can see a primo node and a primo vessel emerged from the fat band along the midline in the abdominal wall of a rat. In the right figure, you can see another primo node and primo vessel on an adipose tissue around the small intestine of the same rat. PVS is also connected to other fat tissues in the abdominal cavity, as shown in the central figure. This figure shows the internal organs of a rat. The acronyms are BL bladder, BV blood vessel, CE cecum, F fat, L liver, LI large intestine, PC pancreas, PN primo node, PV primo vessel, PVS primo vascular system, SI small intestine, and ST stomach. 4 fat tissues from A to D connected with the PVS in the abdominal cavity of a rat are illustrated. Panels A and B were shown already. Panel C shows a net of primo vessels entering the adipose tissues around the stomach. Panel D shows the elasticity of the primo vessel that emerged from the adipose tissue around the small intestine. Panel D shows the elasticity of the primo vessel that emerged from the adipose tissue around the small intestine. Lipolysis and PVS fluid. Lipolysis is the breakdown of lipids. It involves hydrolysis of triglycerides into glycerol and their fatty acids. The following hormones induce lipolysis: adrenaline, noradrenalin, testosterone, growth hormone, and cortisol. Among them, adrenaline, noradrenalin, testosterone are major components of PVS fluid. Acupuncture and yoga stretching activate the flow of PVS fluid. Therefore, they may facilitate lipolysis of fats if properly treated with acupuncture or yoga. Thank you for your attention.